And these are they which are sown on good ground, such as hear the word and receive it, and bring forth fruit, some 30-fold, some 60, and some 100. May God bless you. Amen. Tin leitha a the chu heng hi an ni. Thu chu hria a poma a le som thum te, a le som ruk te, a le za te a ra te hi an ni. A ti a thu chu hria a pom te hi leitha a the kan ni. Lalpan mal som cha ro se. Amen.